starting our gardening. Hey y'all, it's April. Thanks for stopping by my crazy creative life. In today's video, we are starting our gardening, and this is going to be different because I have my new camera that I got back at Christmas time, and so this is the first time I've used it outside, I do believe. So I will show you what I'm getting ready to plant. It's not going to be a whole lot this year, but I'm still planting, tomatoes and peppers and a few things. So we're going to, first thing I'm going to do is get rid of last year's mess. Let me show you. So I'm going to get rid of all of the old vines and get rid of some of the plastic containers that has busted or been hit by the weed eater or what have you. And I had bought some new containers from Temu, and if you've seen that Temu haul, well, one of them, it was on there. So I will be using those, and we're going to take some of last year's old dirt and I'm going to mix it and add some new stuff to it, some add a little peat moss to it, and some fertilizer and different stuff. I don't have everything I would like to have put in it, but I'm going to use what I do have for now, and it still should be fine. So anyway, I'll go ahead and show you real quick whenever we went, which I don't think I ever released that video. I meant to. We went the Saturday before Mother's Day and went and got some Mother's Day flowers, and then I bought some plants while we were up there. I'll still try to release that as a short, even though it's a few weeks past Mother's Day, but I'll show you what I've got. So I got, that's gonna be hard to see. I got those are, I think, red bell. I got some pickling cucumbers, some burpless cucumbers. I got some different tomatoes this year. Some I've never tried before, or even heard of for that matter. Let's see. I got some red and golden bell peppers. There's my green and my jalapeno. I always gotta have some jalapeno. And let's see, where is the tags for my, here they are. You can see that Kellogg's breakfast. I thought that was interesting. They look like almost an orangey, yellow orangey. I always get Lemon Boy, and so this year we are trying this Kellogg's breakfast, see if we like those. And then, where are my red ones? This is, yeah, here they are. And hillbilly. That's what I am, I guess. So we will try these hillbilly tomatoes. I have never even heard of hillbilly tomato or tried one. So I only got one pack of each, which is 4 plants. So as long as the 4 plants survive and I don't kill them, then that will be plenty of tomato plants, probably more than what we need for my little house. And then I got this Zahara mix. I was just trying to fill my container up. I think it was like $16 for this flat. And so I got 2 packs of these. I have no idea what I will do with them yet, but I got 2 of those, which I guess is, I think there was 3. Yeah, there was 3 in each one of those, so that made 6 flowers. So we'll put them somewhere. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started. And I'm going to start off, like I said, by cleaning up that mess. Okay, this peat moss I'm getting ready to put in my bucket and add some water to it. With peat moss, you have to get it wet first. If you're using peat moss for something inside your home, then you want to put boiling water in there to try to kill out any kind of bugs or eggs or larvae, anything like that. But since we're going to be outside, I'm just going to add water from my water hose. You don't want it drippy wet, but you do want it to feel like moist dirt. I don't have much at all left, but I'm going to put what I do have left with this Perlite and with my peat moss. That helps the water to drain. The peat moss actually helps to hold water. I have to apologize. Apparently some of this did not record and I thought it did. But what I done, I took some of that Perlite mixture with the peat moss and I put a couple of handfuls in each of my little black bags there. And then I would add about a half cup of that fertilizer and I would go in there and I would aerate it. I would break it up, get out any of the roots that I seen. Then I would plant my new plant into it. So I'm sorry that footage is gone. This I got, it looks like those, but a little bigger. Got these at Temu. So what I'm doing, actually these were quite a bit bigger than what I had. Okay, this is quite a bit smaller, but what I'm doing, taking my plastic ones that got beat up. They're smaller around, but they're deeper than the ones I have. Now, I forgot I bought this one too. It is a rectangle shape, and I got that from Temu. But look what I found when I was emptying my dirt. A couple big old juicy nut crawlers in there, which is good. You want dirt and worms in your dirt. Those kind of worms, that is. Okay, hopefully there's enough light to show you. You can see this dirt. Look how rich that dirt is. That's from last year. And I think last year we had watermelon in this, but it growed late, so I forgot what I started out with. I think maybe tomatoes, and then a few of them died, and then my husband had thrown out watermelon, and we had watermelon growing on the other side of the house, so I took a few of those plants, hoping to grow some watermelon, but of course it's too late in the year. And then you want to get out any old roots. It's going to mainly look like hair, but just break up your old dirt, add stuff to it, which I'm out. I'm gonna have to go buy some for the rest of these, but just break it up real good. Try to get out most of those old roots, but you can tell that's a good rich soil. Alright, here we go. I almost had enough of those Wicking bags to do it, to finish it, but I'll try to get a few more for next year. I like those. I wish I had got more of those. But these 4 are Kellogg's Lemon Breakfast. These 4 are the Hillbilly. That is Burpless Cucumber, those 2. Now these are a Gypsy. There's 4 Gypsy peppers and then 2 Big Berthas there, 2 Big Berthas there. Then these 4 are Red Bell. These 4 are Yellow Bell. The Lone Ranger right there is jalapeno. And there's the other 3 jalapenos. And this is pickling cucumbers. Those 4. These 4 are green bells, and then I'll plant those later, probably in a hanging basket. Now I'm burning up. I've got dirt from head to toe literally, and I'm gonna go in and take a shower and then lay down. So thanks for watching, and I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your day, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye. Hey, if you like this video, you may want to check out my previous video or my previous series. Talk to you soon.